Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by completing essentials. Finish KYC, link your bank, and deposit funds. Open the Dhan app, tap accounts, confirm your linked bank and UPI ID. Once done, transfer a small amount to test settlement timing and ensure NEFT/IMP success. This avoids delays when placing orders. Make sure notifications are enabled so you see OTPs and settlement alerts immediately. This initial verification is critical because it unlocks order placement and margin features you'll use next. You now select the instrument and analyze the live chart and order book. Compare 5-minute versus daily trends to validate entry. Tap Buy, pick market for immediate fills or limit to control price, then set quantity. If intraday, consider bracket or cover orders to attach stop loss and target. This automates exits and limits losses. Once placed, watch position and order tabs. Modify or cancel limit orders quickly if price action changes. Keep an eye on available margin so orders aren't rejected. You complete trades by closing positions using market for fast exits or limit to get preferred prices. For intraday, always square off before the session ends. After execution, confirm trade receipts in orders and view realized P&L in portfolio. Funds settle per exchange timelines. If something goes wrong, orders failing, mismatched amount, or login trouble, first verify KYC and margin, then update the app and check server status or network. If persistent, contact Dhan support with trade ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.